Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn CSS language. Begin by grasping the fundamental building blocks of CSS, such as selectors, properties, and values. Don't just read. Actively write code, even if it's just a few lines each day. Leverage the vast array of free online tutorials and interactive platforms to solidify your understanding. Consistent practice is key to building a strong foundation in styling web pages effectively. Once you have the basics down, immediately start applying your knowledge to practical projects. Try building a simple portfolio page or a basic blog layout from scratch. A great way to learn is by attempting to recreate the visual styles of existing websites. This helps you understand how different CSS properties work together. Consider joining a coding community to collaborate and learn from others' approaches. To elevate your CSS skills, delve into more advanced topics. Responsive design is crucial for modern web development, so master media queries to make your sites look great on any device. Investigate popular CSS frameworks like Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS to speed up your development workflow. Also, consider learning a CSS preprocessor such as Sass or Less, which can make your style sheets more organized and maintainable. The web development landscape is always evolving, so continuous learning is essential. Stay informed about new CSS features and updates by following reputable blogs and documentation. Challenge yourself with coding exercises on platforms like CodePen or Frontend Mentor to keep your skills sharp. And hey, while you're busy coding, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.